In Canada, we're famous for the beauty of our lakes and rivers. Tourists from all over the world take note of the fact that in this country, we have the largest reserve of fresh water on the planet. Now, that's a minuscule amount compared to the billion trillion liters of seawater that's undrinkable by humans. Less than 1% of the global water is fresh. Yet we still waste water in massive quantities. This precious fresh water that also acts as carbon sinks, planting water, and home for fish is drying up. And we have the power to fix this. So the question is, why aren't we? When you hear the words water pollution, you think of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, people throwing water bottles into the river. But our water is polluted in so many more ways. Dangerous fumes from our vehicles and factories being soaked up by lakes, runoff from agriculture and other farms, full of pesticides and antibiotics, going into streams and rivers. Human wastes, full of what's left of prescription drugs we take and the crap we put into our bodies, is settling in our water tables. And fish that we eat have to live. Did you know that when a beached whale is found, it has to be disposed of as toxic waste? This is because when microbes filter water through themselves, they pick up chemicals from the water. They get nice and plump and the krill swarm to eat them. These krill then take on toxins and filter their own water. Whales, being the final link in this food chain, consume all those chemicals packed up along the way and soak it all into their bodies. No natural being is designed to filter this level of chemicals, be it human, tree, or whale. You can help this. Keep your doors closed and install more efficient windows and save natural gas and heating. Ride a bike or walk to close places instead of driving, so your exhaust won't be caught in rivers and streams. Try to downgrade your vehicles to something that doesn't use as much fuel. And if you have to drive somewhere, carpool with friends to cut down on the number of vehicles on the road. Simple things, doable things, can make us all part of the solution instead of part of the problem. And if we don't, well, all that fresh water that Canada's famous for is just going down the drain.